Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love streaming movies, TV shows and live sports, Kodi is still one of the best free media apps you can install on your Firestick. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Kodi step by step and break down exactly what Kodi is and why it's so popular. So let's dive in. So firstly, what is Kodi? Kodi is an open source media player, meaning it's completely free and customizable. You can use it to play local files like movies and music and install add-ons that give you access to streaming content from all over the world. Just remember, some of the add-ons may stream copyrighted content, so use Kodi responsibly and consider using a VPN to stay private. So to begin, we will need to check our settings just to ensure we are able to download the apps. So if we go to settings, My Fire TV, go down to developer options, and we just need to ensure that apps from unknown sources and ADB debugging are on. We will also need the downloader app to download or sideload the Kodi install files. So if you do not have this, please see my downloader video and then come back to this setup. So from your home screen, navigate to your applications, and we are looking for downloader. Okay, so first you'll need to determine which version you require. I have a 4K first generation Firestick, so that is a 32-bit device. So I'll be using the first code, which is 9603289. If you have a newer device, a 64-bit Firestick, you should use the second code 1569901. Okay, so let me enter in the code. Okay, and then click go. Okay, the download has started. Just wait for that to complete. Okay, so we'll click install. Okay, so here instead of clicking open, we will click done, and then we will delete the file so that we save space on our Firestick. Move over to delete again. Okay, so that should be installed. So from the home screen, we will go across to apps again. And then we can see Kodi. Just click continue. We'll click allow. And there you have it. Kodi has been successfully installed. If you found this useful, please give a like, share and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Cheers.